Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We are heading down Spur Tree, and you know we have to get with Jelly from with good sexy friend right here. Yeah. Make sure anytime you're in Jamaica heading down. Look how she nice. Look how she nice.
Well, nice.
Yeah. Heading down Spur Tree into Senti. Make sure you get your jelly from her. Lovely.
My first one.
Lovely lady, man. Nice cold jelly.
Lovely princess. We're going to make you be my wife.
Yeah, you're gonna let her be your wife? Uncle Roddy, everybody wants her for them wife, you know.
I tell you.
Yeah, you know, see how she nice.
I tell you.
You know, see how she nice. A hot girl, man. Yep. So she have her stall of do her thing. Yeah. You can get watermelon. You can get your jelly. Hot or cold, you can get your pineapple, you have your honeydew, you have your honey, you have your peanuts. Yeah, a little bit of everything. Yeah, look how Jamaica green and pretty. Yeah. Nice. How's your jelly, Mr. Cowan? How's your jelly?
Cannot be better.
Yeah, good for the heart.
Cool and nice.
Good for the heart.
Uncle, I drink one too.
Yes, Uncle gets him jelly. And I'm gonna get my jelly.
One of my classmates are farming, she do you know? Yeah. Farming and I build a house out of.
Yeah. Big ups to all the farmers. Wherever you are. Big ups to all the farmers. We need you guys. We need you. Big up all the farmers, man. Look at the nice watermelon, nice sweet pineapple, honeydew. Right? She have our peanuts. Yeah, she do her thing. Nice young girl, do her thing, man. You guys support her when you come. Heading down Spur Tree. Alright? Yep, another video for you guys. Hope you're enjoying. We are having a blast here in Jamaica. Yes, the place to be. Jamaica is the place to be, guys. Come for your vacation. Enjoy yourself. Eat your organic food, fruits, vegetable. And enjoy yourself. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. I appreciate you guys.
May you come back again?
Yes.
Yes, man.